Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are wonderful, amazing wherever you are. This is your soulmate love reading for December 2020. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Thank you so much for giving lots of love to my channel, and this is your last reading for December 2020, and I wish you all, my Aquarius, a very happy new year in advance, and I will see you in January 2021 2021. And there is one more good news, that I am making 3 decks. I have already uploaded that in STC. You can have a look in STC. I have already uploaded. I have make a twin flame tarot card, twin flame messages, then twin flame signs and symbols. I have made a 3 decks, and I'm going to add that links in the description box also. So if any one of you wants to buy that deck, you can have a look on that too. So that is a twin flame decks which I have made, and they are very beautiful, Aquarius. And I will let you know, and let me know also once you check that what's your reaction, how you like it or not. And that's very beautiful and very wonderful cards. So let's start your reading for soulmate December 2020, and I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck, and then I'm going to start your clarification. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius soulmate reading. Give me 5 messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. I think I've got 5. Okay. Okay. The first message for you is message in the bottle. Some kind of message is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, then there is clean it up. Clear the clutter. Clear all the past hurts which you are carrying on. Then there is serendipity. Okay, clove leaf is here. Good luck, good fortune is coming for you, Aquarius. Serendipity. I'm sorry I can't pronounce it properly, but good luck, good fortune is coming for you. Then there is Treasure Island, which is opening up for you. Let me see one more card. Come to the edge. Take a leap of faith, Aquarius, and move in a forward direction. There is some kind of message which is coming for you, Aquarius, and which there is something in which you need to clean it up. You need healing. There is something in which you have to get out of that energy, and in your main reading also I was having the same energy, that you have to get out of those hurts, those past hurts which have already done with you. You have to do your healing and move in a forward direction. Come to the edge. You are the warrior, Aquarius. Then there are good luck, good fortune is coming for you, and there is a Treasure Island which is coming for you, Aquarius. So let's start your clarification. Let's see what are the meaning of these cards. Wow, spiritual union. What are the messages? What is this message in a bottle? Can you see there is a phone? Maybe receive a phone call, a message from your phone. Okay, there is a message from phone, on phone or call, but some kind of message is there. Let's see what is the meaning of message in a bottle. Clarify me message in a bottle. Clarify me what is message in a bottle means. Wish fulfillment is coming for you, Aquarius. Some kind of 9 of Cups energy. Your wish fulfillment is going to happen. That's the message you are getting. And bottom of the deck, I'm having victory and success. Then there is intuition. Use your intuitions. You're getting your victory and success. 0505 was the recording reading time. Some kind of wish fulfillment is coming true. That message you are going to receive. Beautiful. Why there is clean it up? There is a world card here. Your universe is here. You're completing a karmic cycle, a cycle which you need to complete. Completion of old cycles are happening. Bottom of the deck, I'm having discontentment and boredom. Whatever was happening there, see, there is a hope here. Then there is heartache and loss. So whatever you are suffering in silence, okay, there are heartache and loss. There were things in the past which create lot of things in you, Aquarius, but do not worry. There is a wow, there is a world card here. Can you see there is 21 and here it is also a 21. There are completion of cycles. Now you have to just clean it up. Whatever it was there, just clean it up from your life and move in a forward direction. Wow. What is serendipity means? What good fortune is coming for Aquarius? Clarify. Trumpet success. Bottom of the deck. You're getting your clarity, Aquarius. Ace of Swords. You're getting your clarity. There is memory of loves here. Six of Cups energy. Someone from your past is coming back. Your soulmate is here. Then there is financial and material change is happening for you. Okay. And there is third eye chakra getting open. Your third eye is getting open up. Beautiful. Your third eye is getting open, Aquarius. Getting more intuitive than before. What is the meaning of Treasure Island? There is a turtle and there is an fish. There is jewels in the box and which is opening up. What is the meaning of Treasure Island? Clarify Treasure Island. Again, victory and success is coming for you, Aquarius. Six of Wands energy. There is some kind of conflict and defeat which is happening for you, which you think that it has happened for you, but that's not the truth. Some kind of truth is coming for you. Okay, you think that there are conflicts, there are always defeats. Five of Swords energy. There were conflicts around you, there were defeats around you, but there is some kind of truth which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is truth coming for you. Stand your ground. Seven of Wands energy. You need to stand your ground, okay, because there is a light which is coming for you. And there is Trumpet, the Chariot, the Trumpet and the hope, Trumpet and the light is coming for you. Can you see? Beautiful cards here. 9 and 19. Treasure Island is opening up and there is a turtle here in the sea. Slow and steady wins the race. Do not worry. There is a light here which is coming for you. Maybe you think that there is always a conflict and defeat in your life, but that's not the truth. Some kind of truth is coming for you, and the beautiful truth. Can you see there is a light here which is there, and there is darkness in the picture, but there is a light here. So there is a light which is coming for you. There is a light which is getting for you. You will get to know, Aquarius, that what light is coming for you. Okay. Let me clarify. Come to the edge. Take a leap of faith. Do not get trapped in fear, Aquarius. Okay. obstacles and challenge and disruption. Whatever disruption was happened in the past, was whatever obstacles and challenges were there, you are just trapped in fear, Aquarius. You are just trapped in fear. There is a prosperity which is going to begin for you, because you move all the obstacles and challenge. You did not stop and you face all the obstacles and challenges very bravely. You were standing strong when the disruption was taking place in your life, when life was showing you something. You did not give up, basically. Now the prosperity is beginning for you. You have to come to the edge. You have to take a leap of faith. Don't get trapped in fear. Clarify, come to the edge more. See, passion ignited. Ace of Wands. Your passion is ignited, Aquarius. There is someone around you who is igniting your passion. Beautiful. You need to take a leap of faith into them. So let's start your clarification from the tarot. What is the message in the bottle mean? Some kind of wish fulfillment is going to happen, and let me know in the comment section what wish fulfillment was there which come true for you. What message do you receive? Okay, Aquarius, clarify me message in the bottle. Okay. There's it. I mean that there are a lot of cards here, but these are King of Pentacle, Queen of Pentacle, then there is 10 of Pentacle, then there is Ace of Cups, 10 of Pentacle. This is your divine counterpart, King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. Then there is 6 of Pentacle, there is Fool, and there is Queen of Wands. Fool again. You need to come to the edge, take a leap of faith, Aquarius. There is someone around you who is very passionate, attractive, mysterious, who want to take a leap of faith with you, and that's your wish fulfillment. What else you want? Can you see these three? 6 of Pentacle, 10 of Pentacle, abundance of everything, emotional fulfillment, Ace of Cups, 6 of Pentacle, and Queen of Pentacle and King of Pentacle, your divine counterpart. You are getting your soulmate. Beautiful things. They are going to give you equal amount of give and take. Ace of Cups and 10 of Pentacle. That's the message in the bottle. That's your wish fulfillment. Congratulations, Aquarius. Okay. Let's see why there is clean it up. Whatever conflicts was there, Aquarius, in the past. See, it was just want to fall out. Okay, I'm going to take it. 5 of Swords, 5 of Wands, 9 of Wands, Chariot. Whatever things were there, Aquarius, now you need to move in a forward direction. The Chariot has come again. Clean it up and move in a forward direction. Whatever conflicts around you, there was conflicts around you. Okay, 5 of Swords energy. Again, 5 of Wands, lots of drama, conflicts, fighting was there around you. You were standing your ground. Can you see there is here 9 of Wands? You were standing, you were ready to fight, you were defending yourself, and you were ready to fight them. Now you have to move forward from this energy. You need to clean up this energy. Do not waste your time in this energy. Just move in a forward direction. That's why the Chariot is here. You know the difference between right and wrong, the black and white. Why there is serendipity? What good fortune is coming towards Aquarius? Justice and the Hermit. Because you are doing your soul searching, Aquarius. You're doing your soul searching. The karmic justice has been served in your case. You were looking answers from within yourself, within yourself. You were asking your soul what your soul wants. Okay, and here is a justice. Your karmic justice is being served in your case. That's the good, beautiful, good luck is coming towards you. Your karmic justice is being served in your case. You're getting your karmic justice. Beautiful. What is Treasure Island means? Clarify Treasure Island. Whatever secrets were hidden in the past, Aquarius. See, you're getting the truth. You're getting your clarity, you're getting your truth. There were some secrets which was hidden from you. Because of that, there was conflict and defeat. But do not worry at all. You're getting your clarity. There is Ace of Swords here. And one more, there is a good news, Aquarius. There is Sun and there is King of Wands. This is your divine counterpart. That's the Treasure Island you're getting. Can you see? They are going to give you, this is your soulmate, your twin flame, your life partner soulmate. They want to give you a happy new beginning. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Happy new beginnings are there for you, and that's the Treasure Island for you, Aquarius. Here I was having Queen of Wands and King of Wands. This is your pair. There is a power couple here. Your match, your divine match, the divine counterpart. Clarify me, come to the edge. Please help me out to clarify what is come to the edge means. Clarify, come to the edge. Clarify, come to the edge. Clarify me, what is the meaning of come to the edge? You are juggling a lot to take a decision. There is an imbalance. There is someone around you who is trying to give you Ace of Pentacle, a stable commitment offer, but you are unable to make a decision. You're trying so hard to bring a balance in your situation, in your life, but you are not ready to accept a cup. But can you see, this cup is so beautiful, so colorful, and you are not accepting it. I know you have already done your work, Aquarius. You have already put all the seeds. Now it's time to harvest your rewards, and the reward time is happening right now. There is someone around you who is trying to give you Ace of Pentacles, but from the past, because you spent some sleepless nights in the past, you are unable to move in a forward direction. There is Three of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, and Empress. Now you're becoming an Empress after spending sleepless nights. Okay, you are someone who is very loving, caring, mothering figure, nurturing figure. Okay, you're taking the energy of Mother Earth. Empress. I love it. I love today's reading, Aquarius. So that was your reading for soulmate. For December 2020. Okay. So let's see what are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle deck. Okay, just want to fall out. Tune out distractions, Aquarius. Right. There are beautiful things which are waiting for you. You just need to make no judgments right now. You are making some kind of judgments in your mind. So that's why you are unable to make a decision right now. Tune out any distractions if there are some distractions. So you need to be more open to love. Be more open to love, Aquarius. Become a clear channel, Aquarius, and laugh at your demons. Okay, you have to become a clear channel and laugh at your demons is the message for you. Embrace your power. Strengthen your gifts. Embrace your power and strengthen your gifts. And have faith, Aquarius. Build on solid ground. Have faith and build on solid ground is the message. Then there is nurture yourself. Nurture yourself first and engage higher reasons. Okay, engage higher reasons. Nurture yourself first. So these are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle deck. Thank you so much. See, you hold the key. You hold the key, Aquarius. Soul blueprint to twin flame reunion. Let's see what are the messages from this deck of Twin Flame Oracle deck. So I have made a Twin Flame deck and I'm going to add that description. In the description box, I'm going to add the link for that. If you like to, if you wish to buy that, you can have that decks on STC. And soon it will be on Amazon and Flipkart too. So let's see. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius twin flame journey? Give me the messages. Give me the messages for Aquarius soulmate reading. What are the messages? New doors are opening up, Aquarius. Embarrassed change opportunities are showing up for you. Okay. What are the messages? Moon energy being affected by lunar cycles. Okay. Learning and study. Okay, let me see any other message. Any other message? There are new doors which are opening up for you, Aquarius. Beautiful. 2255 was the recording reading time. And there are moon energies. You are being affected by lunar cycles. Okay. So take care of that lunar cycles. Then there is learning and study. We are bringing information to benefit you. Okay. That's the message for some of you. Then change the momentum, shifting out of difficulty. Okay, shifting out of difficulty is the message. There is your passion. Spend time on your divine gifts to activate your twin flame soul song. Okay, Aquarius, spend some time on your divine gifts to activate your twin flame soul song. Beautiful message. Then there is go outside, the healing and miracles that nature brings. You have to spend some time with nature, Aquarius. Nature will heal you. Your path is uplifted. Your inner work is paying off. That's why I told you you were doing your inner work. That's why the karmic justice has been served in your case. That's why your path is being uplifted. Beautiful message. We will get through this. You are supported. Together we will make it. Your twin flame is trying to tell you. And some of you Aquarius are getting clear about your karmic partner and your twin flame recognition, pushing each other to grow. Maybe some of you Aquarius are dealing with a karmic partner. There is a karmic partner here, and there is twin flame recognition, verifying your true soul. So maybe you are having a confusion between a karmic soulmate and a twin flame soulmate. So now you're getting recognition. Okay, you are recognizing your other half. You are verifying your true twin soul. And you're getting to know who is your karmic soulmate, who is your twin flame. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what are the soul lessons which you and your soulmate has to learn in this life journey. Give me one or two soul lesson. There is balance and there is abundance. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. So it is an important soul lesson which you both has to learn, Aquarius. There is a balance which you and your soulmate has to learn, okay, in this life journey. And there is abundance. I am limitless being and I can manifest whatever I desire in this physical reality. So this is the soul lesson which you both has to learn in this life journey. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message, the soul lesson for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what is you and your soulmate is having a life purpose in this life journey. What life purpose you both are having in this life journey? Let me see what are the life purpose of Aquarius and their soulmate is having in this life journey. Please help me out to deliver the life purpose. Builder, your initiate ability to build and create brings you a deep sense of accomplishment. Some of you Aquarius are having a life purpose of builder. Okay, maybe you build something, maybe you can be a builder making homes, or you can be an engineer or not doctor because doctor is here, engineer. You can build something, you or your life partner, your soulmate. Then there is healer. You have a spiritual gifts of healing and a desire to share it with others. You can be a healer, you can be a doctor. That's a life purpose which you are having in this life journey, Aquarius. You have a gift of healing to heal others. Then there is creative expression. Your soul longs to express creative itself creatively. You can be a painter, you can do write songs. I do not know why I say that. Okay, some of you can be a singer. Creativity, you have lot of creativity in yourself. You can be a creative expression. Okay, you have a creative expressions to express. Then there is let go. Walk away from the situation in order to resolve it. Okay, so these are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what things do you and your soulmate need to surrender in order to achieve your goal in this life journey. There are something which we need to surrender in order to receive, in order to achieve, in order to manifest your life purpose, your reconciliation, or whatever you can call it. Okay, so the thing is surrender to your soul's path. Your life journey has been perfectly designed for your soul's growth. Embrace every lesson and every moment, Aquarius. You need to surrender to your soul's path. That's the message for you and your soulmate. You need to surrender to your soul's path. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's see. Let's add one or two message from the deck of power of love. What are the messages? Okay. There is peacefulness and there is priorities. When you recognize that balance, kindness and love will bring calmness to your soul, Aquarius. That's the love activation oracle wants to say you, peacefulness. Then there is priorities. You understand the paramount importance of manifesting love in all situations. Okay, so these are the messages. Let's see what are the messages from your twin flame. What do they want to tell you? What do they want to tell you? I am here to tell you out what they want to say you. I'm going to tell you that. Let's see what are the messages from your twin flame, from your soulmate. Let's see. What do they want to tell you? They want to tell you that you appreciate me. I always get so many messages for you, Aquarius. They want to say a lot of things to you. Okay. What do they want to say you? Let me see. You pamper me like your baby. They love your quality. You pamper them like a baby and they love that. 3030 was the recording reading time. You appreciate me. Then you are my best friend, Aquarius. You love me. They want to tell you these things, Aquarius. Okay, you make me a better person, Aquarius. They feel it, Aquarius. You are funny. You always give me a shoulder to cry on. You love me for what I am. You love me the way nobody else will do ever in their life. So these are the messages for you from your soulmate, what they want to tell you. And I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation. Okay, so sending you lots of love and light to each Aquarius. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon.